Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I am Sandra, the owner of Midwest Charm, and I am here today with my very first Goodwill Bins haul. I have been dying to go there and things just haven't worked out until yesterday. Me and my hubby were near one and I can't wait to go back. We had so much fun. It was overwhelming. And as soon as we kind of figured out the details of how it worked at that particular one, because I know each one's a little different, we had a lot of fun. I'm going to show you what I got first and then tell you what I paid for it because I'm still in shock. I'm in shock. And I was really making sure that I grabbed stuff that I would normally grab. It wasn't just stuff that I was grabbing to grab. So let me start off by showing you what we got. I've got this cabbage slicer. We sell these. I know it sounds weird, but I usually just put a hook on the back and hang them on the wall and they sell. So we've got that. I'm running out of room because I have another haul to show everyone today too. So I've got this tray that I think I'm going to make into a wall hanging by adding some greenery to it. It's like in brand new condition. We also got this little wicker chair that is already painted and looks good. I'm going to use it for a plant stand. So this will be part of our spring decor. And yes, I'm already picking up spring stuff. Don't judge. I grabbed this little colander. So these enameled ones that are in the different colors always sell super duper well for us. We usually cannot keep them in. So this was a no-brainer. And white, classic. I grabbed this hat to hang on the wall. And it's new with tags still. I grabbed this little Fenton basket. It's hobnail. A little blue vase. This little soap dish. It is made in India. I got the urn. I won't lie, I'm not crazy about the color, so I may end up painting that, but that'll be part of our spring decor. We grabbed some candlesticks. These plain wood ones. The other one I'll show you here in a second. These are both going to get painted, or rather repainted. And then a set of 3. These will get painted for sure. They're gonna need like a good coat of spray paint on it though to make it, yeah, they're gross right now. This little brass angel, she's cute. And then just a little clipboard. I'm gonna decoupage that, you guys. Let me move. Oh, we're not done. I've got this box of vintage lace. And we use that for different craft projects and whatnot. Some greenery. These are really cute ones. I like them a lot. Those will probably go right out along with this little, it's got a little wreath will go right out too. There's this little Pottery Barn enameled bucket. A little copper mug. A little vintage Repop Coke tin. I grabbed these for when we do drawings here at the store. They're marked $1.99, but these were, you know, whatever was in there. And then there are 4 of these little ornaments, I'm guessing, that are brass. And they all say best friend and little bones. Actually, there's 5 of them. Some wood spools and a stainless colander. I just like this one. This will be good for an upcycle of some sort. Then we got a vintage suitcase, and it's in pretty good condition. It doesn't have that icky stink to it, so that's always a plus. And last but not least is this Pottery Barn shelf, and I can't even get it all in the picture. There we go. It's from Pottery Barn. I haven't decided if this is going to get painted yet or not. Most likely, let's be honest. So all of that, and we were there maybe a half hour or so. They did one swap out of the bins while we were in there. And all of this was less than $20. Less than $20, you guys. I am in shock. I'm still in shock. Hubby went through with the first batch, and then they were bringing out new bins, so I stayed in there to go through the second stash. So he paid, and then I paid, and then we compared afterwards, and we are both just amazed. It was a blast. It was a lot of fun, and we will definitely be going back. So watch for more Goodwill bin hauls. We'll see you guys next time. Please like, subscribe, and share. Bye.